This is the first time that like someone has given me real tools. As a mother of a black son, I'm raising a black man. And I'm always going to these things. I'm always trying to tackle this, looking at my own bias, talking about bias. And I feel like this is the first time that like someone has given me real tools. I would show up to these things, and just show up to life, show up to motherhood, and say, like, where's the book? Where's the book that helps me talk to this like young, white, well-meaning teacher who is calling my 3-year-old threatening and intimidating? Like, where's the book? And so I am beyond thankful, and I already have my stack of all the books that you're selling over there. I can't wait to dive into this more deeply, and I just cannot tell you how grateful I am right now.
All right.